Hello, bayap song, bahai tong bay. I hope all is good. So, hai ke tini kaisa surung video tu fakya. O video unka manai ni mung. Tai o manai ni mung na ang four language by second nai. First of all English, tarpore kokbrok, tarpore Bangla, plus tongo Hindi. So, hai ke o manai ni mung na sing daily sajak tongo. Tai khoroksa anu borok request kakya buni mung ka dipu. O bahai surung video tai borodi ba bahai video type tadi hene so bono bela kana hambai moi comment khaimene bagai so hake lai rakari sing direct video na lesane so let's see so hake dolok norok mugi makhana puilawono english bai hono door gechini kokbrok bai hono dugar tai bengali language bai hono dorja tai hindi bai hono dorwaja. So repeat English by hono door, tai kokbrok by hono dugar, tai Bengali by hono dorja, tai Hindi by hono dorwaja. So fighting ke sing next na lebona dolok. Hake dolok 2 number nugi makana rock English by hono state, tai chini kokbrok by hono chokam, Bengali language by hono shiri, tai Hindi by hono sidiun. Repeat English language by hono states. Tai kokbrok bai hono chokam, Bengali language bai hono shiri, tai Hindi bai hono sidiun. So next na lebona dolok sing 3 number tongo English language bai hono mirror, tai chini kokbrok language bai hono aina, Bengali language bai hono obono hono aina, tai Hindi bai hono aina. Repeat English bai hono mirror, kokbrok bai hono aina, Bengali bai hono aina, and last Hindi bai hono aina. So fighting sing next na lebona 4 number nugi mankhana dolok English language by hono tap, kokbrok by hono call ba tap, tai Bengali by hono call ba tap, tai Hindi by hono nol. Actually obo tap keno almost borok bujiwo. So repeat English by hono tap, tai kokbrok by hono call ba tap, tai Bengali by hono call ba tap, tai Hindi by hono nol. So fighting next na lebona. So hake dolok nugi mankhana next omo English by hono toilet, kokbrok bai hono pakhina, tai Bengali language bai hono paikhana, tai Hindi bai hono shauchalay. Repeat English bai hono toilet, kokbrok bai hono pakhina, tai Bengali language bai hono paikhana, tai Hindi bai hono shauchalay. So next na lebona haike 6 number nugi makhasung omotamo English bai hono toothbrush, tai kokbrok bai hono brush. Actually kokbrok bai hono brush kana sum almost borong bujiwo. So actually English by hono toothbrush amko na se difference kare Bengali by hono toothbrush, Hindi by hono toothbrush. So toothbrush kan almost bro bujinai so kisa difference salai mani chang so actually hono toothbrush no so next na chang so hake dolok nor next nugui mangkhana English by hono toothpaste, tai kokborok Bengali, Hindi by hono Colgate. So almost borong no Colgate ni obo bujibo. Actually obo kono nirdisto bumung kare jar language by so hai bagai ang obo silia so fighting ke sing next na lena next nugui makhana dolok English language by hono bathroom, tai chini kokbrok language by hono tukumanok, Bengali by hono snangor, tai Hindi by hono bathroom. So repeat English by hono bathroom, kokbrok by hono tukumanok, Bengali by hono snangor, tai Hindi by hono bathroom. So for the next na lewana sing dolok so hake next nugi mankana dolok English language by hono duster, kokbrok language by hono hujak nai, Bengali by hono jaron, tai Hindi by hono jaron. Repeat English language by hono duster, kokbrok by hono hujak nai, tai Bengali by hono jaron, tai Hindi by hono jaron. So hake next nugi mankana dolok English language by hono ruling pin, tai chini kokbrok language by hono huljak nai. Actually chini kokbrok language by jang podrapot no hini mano so English language by je samano tei ang sai tongo, tai Bengali language by hono gurnayo dondo, tai Hindi by hono bilan. So repeat English by hono ruling pin, tai kokbrok by hono huljak nai, Bengali language by hono gurnayo man dondo, tai Hindi by hono bilan. So fight is next na lena English language bahno safety pin tai chini kokbrok language bahno sushi actually sushi ke jeng bujibo so hai bagai Bengali language bahno nirapota pin tai Hindi bai bahno safety so repeat English language bahno safety pin kokbrok bahno sushi Bengali bahno nirapota pin tai Hindi bahno safety pin haike next nugima khana dolok English language bahno bucket tai chini kokbrok language bahno balting tai Bengali bahno balti tai Hindi bahno balting actually obo jeng sama jaga kisi ferlayo spelling rogo so repeat English language bahno bucket kokbrok bahno balting tai Bengali bahno balti tai Hindi bahno balti English language bahno mop tai chini kokbrok language bahno wafura tai Bengali language bahno jaru tai Hindi bahno jaru so repeat English language bahno mop tai kokbrok bahno wafura tai Bengali language bahno jaru tai Hindi bahno jaru haike next nugima khana dolok English language bahno ke tai kokbrok bahno sabi Bengali bahno sabi Hindi bahno sabi repeat English bahno ke kokbrok bahno sabi Bengali bahno sabi tai Hindi bahno sabi haike last English language bahno kum tai chini kokbrok bahno betra tai Bengali bahno chironi tai Hindi bahno kangi repeat English bahno kum kokbrok bahno betra tai Bengali bahno chironi Hindi bahno kangi so haike sing tini almost 50 ta serangka so next video sing serang live view nai actually o video seramna ang 2 din nangka so norok please o video no like and subscribe ta pogdi tai norok like khaina ne 1 second pon nangalak so please like and subscribe and in dolong no share khaidi mohai ta update katal mohai saimana mujungke because ta angoro 4 language ni spelling bosire ka jate norok saimana jatke actually jeng o manani bumung almost borong no saimano but English language by saima kangke Bengali language by saimia and Hindi language by saimia tongo actually jeng omo belai nangmani no tang himale jeng bazar ko je kono mungsa paina thangangke kaisa for like example once upon Bengali language ni borok phuno phalito kangke bongno kum ni san kangke borok sinia borok chironi ni san kangke sinuwa ang hayengka so hay bagai ang problem no solution kaina na ang o video khaike so norok jadake please like and subscribe and share kaina ta pongdi next video ne bagu waiting kade and thank you for watching.